Welcome! Today we will practice morning routines.
Let's practice.
What time do you usually wake up? What time do you usually wake up?
I wake up at 6:30 every morning. I wake up at 6:30 every morning.
Do you drink coffee or tea? Do you drink coffee or tea?
I prefer coffee with milk, please. I prefer coffee with milk, please.
Are you ready for breakfast? Are you ready for breakfast?
Yes, I'm really hungry now. Yes, I'm really hungry now.
What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat?
I'd like some toast and eggs. I'd like some toast and eggs.
Should we hurry this morning? Should we hurry this morning?
Nah, we have plenty of time. Nah, we have plenty of time.
Now practice getting dressed.
Let's go.
What should I wear today? What should I wear today?
The blue shirt looks nice on you. The blue shirt looks nice on you.
Is it cold outside today? Is it cold outside today?
Yes, you should wear a jacket. Yes, you should wear a jacket.
Do these shoes match my outfit? Do these shoes match my outfit?
They look perfect with that dress. They look perfect with that dress.
Can you help me with this zipper? Can you help me with this zipper?
Of course. Turn around, please. Of course. Turn around, please.
Next, transportation sentences practice.
Let's practice.
How do you get to work? How do you get to work?
I usually take the subway. I usually take the subway.
What time does the bus come? What time does the bus come?
It arrives every 15 minutes. It arrives every 15 minutes.
Should we take a taxi instead? Should we take a taxi instead?
That's too expensive for me. That's too expensive for me.
I'm lost. Is the train station far? I'm lost. Is the train station far?
No, it's just 2 blocks away. No, it's just 2 blocks away.
Now let's move to work conversations.
Let's go.
Did you finish the report yesterday?
Yes, I sent it this morning.
What time is our meeting?
It starts at 2 o'clock.
Can you help me with this?
Sure, what do you need?
Is the printer working today?
Unfortunately, no, it's broken again.
Do you want some coffee?
That would be great, thank you.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video with your friends.